Hey, so I'm here back in the trailer. I hope y'all are having a great week. I wanted to show you guys how we cook trout in a way that we have really kind of made it almost foolproof. My husband caught 4 trout this morning, which is perfect because that means we're going to have 4 trout to cook tonight and we'll get to split them. So I've already kind of got some of them ready to go, but here's what I do. We have found with trout, they're so small that we don't fillet them. He just guts them, cuts the fins off, cuts the heads off, and then we leave the skin and the bones. And then when we cook them, they just come right off the bone. Carefully peel them off. Once you get one side, then you just peel the bone, the whole skeleton out, and you get the other side, and it comes off the skin very easy. So our recipe is simple. It is, I usually take some butter and I slice it. I put 2 pats of butter inside each middle, and then I pick a seasoning. Tonight, we're using the Pampered Chef Greek rub. It's got a lot of different herbs and flavors, including a little bit of lemon. If I had fresh lemon, then I would also add some slices of lemon in the center here too, but I don't have any, but this will work great. Oops. And the fish get a little slippery sometimes, but I'm pretty generous with the seasoning so that the flavor goes all the way through. And that's it. That's all I have to do. And then I like to do the foil packets because that makes it so that they almost steam inside of here and they're almost foolproof. We're going to cook them on the grill. My husband puts them on medium heat for about 7.5 minutes on one side, on the side that's got the fold. Because as you can see, I just kind of fold it up to make it a packet. So he will cook it on the seam side for the first 7.5 minutes, and then he'll flip it over and finish it off the other 7.5 minutes on the back side. I try to make sure to seal it good so the butter doesn't come out. But that's all there is to it. If you're not going to grill them, you can put them on a campfire. Again, this makes it very easy. I would use, wait until it burns down a little bit, get the coals not in the flame. So you want to just cook over the coals. Or if you're at home and you want to do it in the oven, you can do it in the oven. I do it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Same thing, I put them all on a sheet pan so that it's easy to get them in and out. And just put them on the sheet pan for and bake them, like I said, at 350 for about 20 minutes. And you should have perfect trout. This works with a lot of fish. We just do it mostly with the trout. Other fish from the market, I usually can cook several different ways. But with the skin on trout, I prefer the foil pack of all the ways we've cooked it. And this is a big guy, so he's kind of pushing my limits of my foil here. So that's it. Hi, Sherry. Does anybody have any questions? I will follow up on the comments as the evening goes forward. But that's it. Last night or Sunday night when we had trout, I used the Jamaican jerk rub. It was fantastic too. Lots of flavor. Like I said, we're just going for something different. And we will add sides and a salad and some veggies. And that's all there is to it. It's very, very simple, almost foolproof. And we get fresh trout again tonight, which is always so fun when we're out camping and enjoying the beautiful Colorado wilderness and getting to catch our own dinner. So y'all have a great evening. This was super fast and easy. Hope you're enjoying your week, and be back at you maybe tomorrow. Let's see what I can come up with. Bye.